Gestational Diabetes Unwrapped, a lighthearted guide to managing sweet surprises. Welcome to Healthline Champions, where we turn health battles into victories with a sprinkle of fun. If you're here, chances are you or someone you love is navigating the sweet yet turbulent waters of gestational diabetes. But worry not. Today, we're breaking it down with humor, hope, and heaps of helpful tips. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to join our Welcome to Healthline Champions, where your health is our priority. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful videos. Today, we're diving into the sweet and not-so-sweet world of gestational diabetes. Think of it as the sugar mama of diabetes, showing up unexpectedly during pregnancy. Gestational diabetes is like that uninvited guest at your baby shower. It crashes the party, but worry not, it usually leaves after delivery. Now, imagine your body as a bustling kitchen. Pregnancy hormones are like a mischievous kid, constantly messing with the sugar jars, making insulin's job a tad harder. Managing this condition isn't just about watching your sweet tooth. It's about balancing your diet like a pro juggler, exercising, and sometimes, medication. Remember, you're not alone. Imagine a team of health superheroes by your side, guiding you through this sugar saga for a healthy pregnancy. Thanks for sticking with us on this glucose journey. Smash that like button, subscribe to Healthline Champions, and turn your notifications on. Stay sweet and healthy, champions.